The Umite Chef Kitchen Cooking Utensils Set is designed to provide you with all the essential tools needed for everyday cooking. Each utensil is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and safety while cooking. Here's how to use each item in the set. 1. Spatulas. Use the spatulas for flipping pancakes, omelets, and other foods. Their non-stick surface ensures that food doesn't cling, making flipping and serving easy. 2. Spoons. Solid slotted. The solid spoon is perfect for stirring and serving soups, stews, and sauces. The slotted spoon is ideal for lifting and draining vegetables, pasta, and other foods from boiling water or oil. 3. Turners. The turner is great for flipping burgers, eggs, and fish, as well as lifting delicate items off the pan without breaking them. 4. Whisk. The whisk is essential for mixing ingredients smoothly, whether you're beating eggs, mixing batter, or whipping cream. 5. Tongs. Use the tongs to handle hot foods, such as turning meat on the grill, tossing salads, or serving pasta. 6. Ladle. The ladle is perfect for serving soups, stews, and sauces with ease. Its deep bowl ensures a generous portion in each scoop. 7. Pasta server. The pasta server is designed with prongs to help you easily lift and serve spaghetti or other long pasta without it slipping off. 8. Basting brush. Use the basting brush to spread butter, oil, or sauces evenly over food, whether you're baking or grilling. 9. Measuring cups and spoons. These are essential for accurately measuring ingredients, ensuring your recipes turn out perfectly every time. 10. Peeler. The peeler is ideal for removing the skins of vegetables and fruits, such as potatoes, carrots, and apples. 11. Can opener. Use the can opener to effortlessly open cans of all sizes, making meal prep more convenient. 12. Bottle opener. The bottle opener is handy for opening bottles of beverages with ease. Each utensil in the Umite Chef set is designed to be heat-resistant, non-stick, and easy to clean. After use, hand wash or place them in the dishwasher, if dishwasher safe, for easy cleanup. Store them in a dry place to maintain their quality and longevity. This versatile set ensures you have the right tool for every cooking task, making meal preparation more efficient and enjoyable.